Thanks for joining us today at the Academy. We've just finished filming our new arrangement online unit. So we've just got to the last design today. Tina's there with her planted design, setting it all up. So that'll be really exciting. That should be released in the next month or so. And also I'm wearing a floral crown, which basically means, yes, Garden Day is on its way. And with that, I'm going to announce a new competition. Last week, Tina actually made a really beautiful boutonniere, and we thought what would be nice, if you watch that film, you'll find it on Facebook Films, or videos, I think it is. If you pop on there and look at that, and what we'd love you to do is make one using some garden material, and send your photos in, and then there'll be 7 lucky winners that will be able to join us actually on Garden Day, which is the 9th of May. At the studio, and the weather's nice, we'll be going into the garden, but if it's not nice, we'll be inside in the studio, and we'll be showing you how to make these floral crowns. So we're actually going to show you how to make a proper one with wiring and taping, and we might show you another few little top tips on how to do some real quick ones as well. So, and also we will be releasing a short film on how to make that as well. So if you are available on the 9th of May and would like to join us at the studio, then make some beautiful little boutonniere and post it, and we can share it, and then we can pick the lucky winners out the hat. And we'll be picking that out on, let me check the date, the 21st of April. Okay, so from us at the studio, Tina, thanks for joining us today, and see you soon.
Bye.